There you go. Here's another arrangement that I just put together, and I think it looks really cool because of all the different textures, you know, it has. I like this one right here. It kind of looks like a pyramid, and these kind of grow wiggly and they kind of bend over time. Um, and then the jade, you know, I love the jade. Always looks good, especially during the sunset time when the sun goes down. Their colors really pop, and I think this one came out really cool. It's just so colorful, and the textures with the different, you know, layers and stuff. Like, oh, look at all the patterns in here. Really cool. They all are kind of unique, but very similar. And then even this little pyramid one, I think this one came out. Oh, it's kind of cool. And then I put this mint guy in here. He's gonna get big. So, hope you guys enjoy this little clip. And I mean, there's so much to explore. Like, you can literally stay in here and just explore all day if you want to. So, I hope you guys enjoy this clip. Talk to y'all later.